When stars are born, they possess a gift or two. One of them is this: they have the power to make a wish come true.
Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might have the wish I wish tonight. We'll make a wish and do as dreamers do, as dreamers do, and all our wishes will come true. When you wish upon a star, makes no difference who you are. Anything your heart desires will come to you.
Pretty, huh? I'll bet a lot of you folks don't believe that about a wish coming true, do ya? Well, I didn't either. Of course, I'm just a cricket, but let me tell you what made me change my mind. You see, the most fantastic, magical things can happen, and it all starts with a wish.
I wish I could go to the ball. I'm wishing someday my prince will come. No request is too extreme. I wish I could be part of that world.
I wish we'd never have to grow up. Off to Neverland!
When you wish upon a star as dreamers do. What, Jiminy? Someday I wish I could be a real boy.
Genie, I wish for your freedom.
You know, any wish is possible. All it takes is a little courage to set it free.